Listen to your soul. Listen to your soul. Listen to your soul. Listen to your soul. I don't believe in constitutions, priests and creeds and congregations. I don't believe in superstition, shame and blame and bad religion. I believe that God is love and love is the law and love is all already written in your soul. Written in your soul. Written in your soul. Written in your soul. I ain't saying there's no wisdom in teachers, preachers, and good religion, but you won't find the truth from somewhere else if you don't find it first inside yourself. I ain't saying talk about your ego. You gotta let go everything that you know. Give it up, give it up, give it up, give up control. Give it up, give it up, give it up, and listen. Listen to your soul. Listen to your soul. Listen to your soul. Listen to your soul. Books, they tell you one thing, parents say another. Presidents will lead you if you let him. Celebrities won't bother, but none of these will tell you what you really need to know. The truth is not a philosophical position, it's a thing living in your soul. So listen to your soul. 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 I don't believe in constitutions, priests and creeds and congregations. I don't believe in superstition, shame and blame and bad religion. I believe